Students, let us learn something which is very important. We have learned about multiplication, addition, division of normal numbers as well as rational numbers. But when all this multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, if everything is given together, okay, multiplication we have learned it differently, division we have learned it differently, addition and subtraction, everything we learned differently. But if everything is given together, so normal numbers also, what to solve first? First you have to multiply, or first you have to divide, or first you have to add. So there is one way to solve this kind of sum. That mantra, that magic spell is called as Bodma's rule. Bodma's rule. Now what is Bodma? Bodma means bracket, B means bracket, open, O means open, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Okay, so always when you have to do the calculation, you have to follow this order. Okay, so first whenever you see such kind of things, you have to first see whether there is brackets or no. Can you see bracket? No. Then bracket open will not come. Then see, third thing is division. Can you see division over here? Okay, so first you have to do division. Okay, so this is what is the rule that we follow while doing this type of calculation when everything is together. Okay, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, everything is going given together. We which one to do first? अगर वो confusion है, addition पहले करना है, subtraction, division, so we have to follow Bodma's rule because that is the right rule. So first check whether brackets are there or no. If there are no brackets, then you have to do first division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So I'll write this over here again. And I'll underline what is the division. First you have to do the division. So 10 divided by 5 you have to do first. I'll do your rough work. 10 divided by 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 0 is the answer. So 2 is the answer. So 40 I'll write down as it is. Multiplication also as it is. And 10 divided by 5 we get answer as 2. Okay, and plus 17 I'll write down as it is. After division, what do we have to do? We have to do multiplication. So here we do have multiplication. So 40 into 2 is what that we have to do. 2 zeros are 0, 4 2s are 8. So 80. 40 2s are is 80. And plus 17 you have to write down as it is. Everywhere you have to write down equal to. Now 80 plus 17, you can do it. 80 plus 17. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer will be 97. Okay, so this is how we are going to solve by using Bodma's rule. Let us solve this sum. Here you can, different thing which you can see is bracket. So we are going to solve bracket first and then rest of the things. So 80 you write down is equal to 80 and division you write down as it is and solve the bracket. In bracket you have to first do addition because addition comes first and then subtraction. 15 plus 8 kitna rahega? You add and see. In the rough work, always you add and see. 8 plus 5 is 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. So it's 23. 15 plus 8 is 23. Minus 3 you have to do. So 23 minus 3 is 20. So bracket का answer है 20. So we solve the bracket and we get the answer 20. And plus 5 you write down as it is. Now in between division and plus, which operation you have to do first? Definitely division because division comes first. Now 80 divided by 20 you have to do. So I'll do it over here. 80 divided by 20. Whenever you see 0, 0 up and down, you can cut the 0. Now in 2's table 8 is also there. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Normal division also you can do. 20 divided by 80 like this. 20 के टेबल में 80 आता है या नहीं देखने के लिए 24 ज़ा करके देखना है. 2 4 0 0 4 2 ज़ा 8. So 80 comes. So 24 ज़ा 80. So the answer is 4. 80 divided by 20, answer is 4, and plus 5 you write down as it is. Now 4 plus 5 you can do finally. 4 plus 5 is 9. So the answer we get is 9. I hope you all are understanding this kind of division, this all kind of operation. It is very simple. You have to just keep in mind Modmar's rule. Okay. सबसे पहले चेक करना है ब्रैकेट है या नहीं. ब्रैकेट पहले सॉल्व करना है. उसके बाद देन यू हैव टू सी वेदर डिवीजन इज देयर और नो. देन यू हैव टू चेक फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, देन एडिशन एंड फाइनली सब्ट्रैक्शन. ऑल राइट, लेट अस डू डिफरेंस. In this example, we can see there are various brackets which are given. So now here, in this kind of sum, the question is which bracket you have to solve first. बाहर का bracket पहले solve करना है या अंदर का bracket. So always when you have more brackets, you have to first start with the innermost bracket. अंदर का bracket पहले solve करना है. Okay. So अंदर के कौन से दो bracket है? Round bracket. Right, 2 round brackets are there which are there in the most innermost part. Okay, सबसे inside में round bracket है. So you have to solve that first. So 113 minus 9 you have to do. In rough work you do 113 minus 9 and see what is the answer. I'll do it over here. 113 minus 9. 0, 3 cut. We have 13. 13 minus 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 4, 0 as it is and 1 as it is. 104. So this bracket answer is 104. Now let us do this bracket answer. So first you have to do division. 4 divided by 2 करना है पहले. So 4 divided by 2 क्या है? 4 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 0. So the answer is 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 2 multiplied by 13 you have to do. Okay. So 2 multiplied by 13 is what? That answer you find out. So 13 into 2. 3 2s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. It is 26. So bracket का आंसर हम लोग को मिल जाता है. इसका आंसर 26. So ये दोनों का bracket का आंसर 104 and 26 है. Rest of the things you write down as it is. Okay, so 2, this 2 you write down as it is, multiplication sign as it is, this curly bracket, this is called as curly bracket, you write down as it is. 25 multiplication write down as it is. Then comes square bracket, write down as it is. इसके बीच में we have solved this round bracket. The answer we got it as 104. 113 minus 9. इसके बाद प्लस साइन है, राइट डाउन एज इट इज. एंड दिस राउंड ब्रैकेट ऑल्सो वी हैव सॉल्व. द आंसर वी गॉट इट एज 26. सो राइट डाउन 26. ये राउंड ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करने के बाद इसके बाद है स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट एंड फाइनली अगेन वी हैव कर्ली ब्रैकेट. अभी ये दोनों ब्रैकेट के बीच में सबसे अंदर वाला ब्रैकेट कौन सा है? स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. नाउ सॉल्व स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. 104 प्लस 26. सो 104 प्लस 26. 6 plus 4 is 10, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1. 130 is the answer. Remaining numbers you write down as it is. 2 multiplied by curly bracket 25 into square bracket का आंसर क्या मिला? 130 and curly bracket you complete. Now which is the bracket left? This is the only bracket which is left. You have to solve that. 130 into 25. So do that also. 130 into 25. 5 zeros are 0, 5 3s are 15. 1 carry, 5 1s are 5, 6. 0 here, 2 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 0, 5, 6 plus 6 is 12 and 3. So the answer is 2 into curly bracket का आंसर ये मिला 3250. Now finally we have to do 2 into 3250. So I'll multiply here only. 2 zeros are 0, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 5, 3 2s are 6. So the answer is 6500. Okay, so whenever many brackets are there, अंदर वाले जो brackets है वो पहले सॉल्व करना है, उसके बाद बाहर वाला, उसके बाद और बाहर वाला, लास्ट वाला, and then last operation which is there that you do. Okay, now let us solve how to this with the normal numbers with which we did the operation, right? Let us solve with fraction and see. So fraction में भी same rule apply होता है. We have to first do division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. ओके, सो यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट तो नहीं है एंड डिवीजन भी नहीं है. सो आफ्टर दैट कम्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो मल्टीप्लीकेशन पहले करना है. सो 5/7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1/3. सो फर्स्ट फॉर मल्टीप्लीकेशन न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है एंड डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So 3/4 and minus sign you write down as it is. Now 5 into 1 and 7 into 3. You multiply like this. Write down 3/4 minus 5 ones are 5 and 7 threes are what? 21. Alright. Now we get these numbers. Now we have to do subtraction. Subtraction and addition के लिए 3/4 minus 5/2 करना है. And subtraction and addition we need denominators equal. Alright, so to make denominators equal we have to do cross multiplication. So cross multiplication, it will be 21 into 3 minus 4 into 5 divided by 4 into 21. Now do all the मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 21 3 सा कितना है वो करना है. 3 1 सा 3, 3 2 सा 6, 63 माइनस 5 4 सा 20 एंड 21 4 सा इज हाउ मच यू डू. 4 1 सा 4 and 4 2 सा 8, 84. I'll continue this set because now down the place is over. Now 63 minus 20, if you do it, it will be 3 and 6 minus 2 is 4. 43/84. Okay, so this is how you get the answer of the division of this operation of the rational numbers. Okay, now moving forward we are going to solve from the practice set. If you are able to simplify this division, you can simplify, but 43 is a prime number which will not come in any table, so that's why we are not able to simplify this division. Now let us do sums from practice set 25. I'll solve some sums and rest of the sums you have to do it for homework. Simplify the following expressions. Now 50 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. पहले क्या करना है, डिवीजन करना है. सो फर्स्ट डू डिवीजन 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. सो 5 राइट डाउन ओवर हियर एंड डिवीजन में जो रहता है दैट वी राइट डाउन ओवर हियर. ओके, 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 मीन्स व्हाट, वी राइट डाउन लाइक दिस 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. सो नीचे जो रहता है वो यहाँ पे आता है और ऊपर वाला थिंग यहाँ पे आता है डिविडेंड में. So now check whether in 2 5 is there or no. It is not there but 4 is there. So 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now 1 is less than 2. It will not come in 2's table. But what we can do, we can give decimal point and we can add 0 over here. Now 10 comes in 2's table. 2 5s are 10. 0 0. We have answer 2.5. So ये division. Rest of the terms write down as it is. 50 multiplication. Division हम लोगों ने किया और हम लोग का आंसर मिला 2.5. And plus 24 also write down as it is. Now in between multiplication and addition we have to do multiplication first. 50 into 2.5 we have to do, but here I can simplify more. 50 can I write down 5 into 10. 5 into 10 is 50. 5 10s are 50. Okay, rest of the things you write down as it is. बस 50 को मैंने लिखा 5 into 10. Rest of the things 2.5 वैसे ही लिखती हूँ, plus 24 वैसे ही लिखती हूँ. Now 10 into 2.5 will be how much? When we multiply 10 multiples of 10 to the decimal point shifts on right hand side. So यहाँ पे 1 0 है, so one decimal point will shift one place. So it was here, it will shift one place. So we'll get answer 10 into 2.5 will be 10 into 2.5 will be 25.0. Okay, तो यहाँ पे था, यहाँ पे मैंने एक शिफ्ट किया because 1 0 is there. Now 5 into, we can write down this 10 into 2.5 we got 25 plus 24 you write down as it is. Now 5 into 25 you have to do. So 25.0 it is same as 25 only. So we have to multiply 25 into 5. 25 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 2s are 10. 11 12. 125. So this answer is 125 plus 24. Now 125 plus 24, finally you have to do 5 plus 4 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1. So the answer is 149. Okay, this is how you have to solve this kind of sums. Now next one is there are many brackets. So here in textbook there is one mistake which is done. It is the bracket is given 140 divided by square bracket in bracket minus 11 multiplied by in bracket minus 3 माइनस इन ब्रैकेट माइनस 42 डिवाइडेड बाय 14 माइनस 1 और यहाँ पे एक ब्रैकेट था राउंड ब्रैकेट दैट यू हैव टू कट. ओके, यहाँ पे कोई भी ब्रैकेट नहीं है. सो नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व द इनर मोस्ट ब्रैकेट. So square bracket you write down as it is. First let us solve the round bracket. So when you open this round bracket, minus 11 will remain as it is. Now multiplied by, I'll open this bracket, so minus 3 will remain as it is. When I open this bracket, minus minus sign when it comes, it will be plus sign. Okay, minus minus becomes plus and 42 I'll write down as it is divided by 14 minus 1. Okay, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट नहीं है, so 14 minus 1 write down as it is. Now in this bracket we have to solve this bracket. In this which operation we have to do first? First we have to do always division, because यहाँ पे multiplication है दो numbers के बीच में, there is addition, there is division, there is subtraction. But always division you have to do first. 42 divided by 14. Let us do it. So 42 divided by 14. 14 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2. It is 14 2s are 28, 14 3s are, let us do 4 3s are 12, 1 3 1s are 3, 4. So 14 3s are is 42. So answer is 3. Okay, so I'll write down 42 divided by 14 is 3. Rest of the terms write down as it is. 140 divided by minus 11 minus 3 प्लस साइन राइट डाउन एज इट इज. ये दोनों का 42 डिवाइडेड बाय 14 वी हैव गॉट आंसर 3 एंड माइनस 1 यू राइट डाउन एज इट इज. नाउ यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन है, एडिशन है एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू मल्टीप्लीकेशन फर्स्ट, बिकॉज मल्टीप्लीकेशन कम्स फर्स्ट इन बॉडमास रूल. ओके, 140 डिवाइडेड बाय राइट डाउन एज इट इज minus 11 into minus 13 minus 3. So 11 3s are 33 and minus minus always becomes plus. When there are two minus sign it becomes plus. Okay, minus sign in multiplication. Okay, multiplication में जब दो minus sign रहता है it becomes plus. How here we did minus 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 into minus become plus. Similarly 11 into 3 is 33 and minus minus becomes plus. Rest of the terms write down as it is, plus 3 minus 1. Now you can do addition first. 140 divided by 33 plus 3 is 36 minus 1. Now 36 minus 1 is how much? 36 minus 1 is 35. Now 140 divided by 35 can I write down like this? Right? So now I have to see in which table 140 as well as 35 comes. Both will come in 5's table. So cut करके 35 odds are 35, 5 7s are 35 and we'll check it over here. 1 तो नहीं आता है तो 14 पहले लेना पड़ेगा. Does 14 come in 5's table? No, but 10 comes. So 5 2s are 10. 14 में से when we take 10, 4 is left. 4 will pass it on further. आगे का नंबर 0 है, उसके साथ 4 लगाते. So 4 0 40 is left now here. So 40 comes in 5's table. 5 8s are 40. So the answer, the remaining numbers will be 28 in the numerator divided by 7 in the denominator. Now check whether 28 and 7 come in one table or no. In 7's table only 28 comes. So 7 1s are 7 and in 7's table 7 also come. So 7 1s are 7 and 7 4s are 28. So we'll get answer 4 upon 1. Denominator में 1 it does not count, so the answer is 4. Okay, I know it is little lengthy, but if you do one step at a time, slowly you will arrive at the answer, but do it properly, division and everything. Now let us solve one sum which is with the rational number. So 3.5 plus 3 divided by 5 plus 3 divided by 8 divided by 6 divided by 4. So which operation we are going to do first, addition or division? Definitely division. So 3 upon 5 plus 3/8 divided by 6/4. So in division of the fractions, what did we see? Division to multiplication में अगर convert करना है तो second number का multiplicative inverse लिखना है. So I am going to flip this number. When I am going to flip this number, division will turn into multiplication. So 3.8 you write down as it is. I'll flip this number. 4 will go up and 6 will go down. So when I flip this number, when I do inverse, here it will be multiplication. Now I can easily do multiplication. Division is little difficult, that's why always in division of fractions we turn it into multiplication. How? Second number flip करना है, upside down. Now how do we do multiplication? 3 into 4 and 8 into 6. Multiplication is very simple. 4 3s are 12, 8 6s are 48. Alright. Now, before going towards addition, in this fraction only, check whether 12 and 48 come in one table or no. So in 12's table, 48 comes. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. If you know the table properly, 12 fours is 48. So we can write down 12 ones are 12 and 12 fours are 48. Okay, so we have answer 3.5 you write down as it is, plus sign as it is, and here we get 1/4. 1 in the numerator divided by 4 in the denominator. Now we can do the addition. Here for addition, denominator should be equal. If they are not equal, do cross multiplication. So first I will do 4 into 3 plus sign 5 into 1 divided by 5 into 4. Alright, so 4 threes are now 12 plus sign in between, 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. 12 plus 5 is 5, 6, 17/20. Now this division cannot be simplified because 17 is a prime number. It comes in itself table. So 17 and 20 will not come in one common table because 17 बस उसी के table में आता है. 17 1s are 17 and 1 17 is 17, only that much. Alright, so this is how you do multiple operations. Multiple operations means what? Addition, division, subtraction, multiplication all in one. Okay, but one rule you have to keep in your mind is Bodmer's rule. Okay, B means bracket first. Bracket we have to open, then we have to do division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, this way you have to go and then only you will get proper answer. Okay.